Hey, what's up guys, this from Rollz Tech, Gadget Tips and Tutorial. Today we are going to see how to record our computer screen using VLC Media Player. First open VLC Media Player, select Open Capture Device. We select Capture Mode as Desktop, and set frame rate, 25 FPS, that's enough. A little arrow here, select Convert. We see new dialog screen. In that, we have to select Profile H264 format. Now we have to choose destination file, where to save after recording, so select the path, and give the file name here and save. By clicking on Start, it will start recording. Now the player is started recording. Now minimize this window. Now what I am doing on the screen, everything will be recorded. Friends, by using this VLC Media Player you can watch movies and play music, but also we can use as best screen recorder software. Most of us, we don't know how to screen record our desktop. Now let's stop recording and close this window and open the recorded video file, and check the video file and check the video quality. The quality was good. YouTubers can also use this VLC Media Player for capturing their desktop screen. So yes, thanks for watching friends. I hope this video will helpful. If you like this video, please comment, share with your friends. Subscribe for more updates.